MACH 2022 is just around the corner and we're going to be on the Hoffmann Group stand on Tuesday afternoon. Can't wait, John. So why have you chosen to exhibit and also perform a live stream in the afternoon with us, MTD CNC?
Well, Lyndsey, I think exhibiting is a no-brainer. The industry we're in, we absolutely have to be there. Now, with regards to the live stream, you'll be aware we did one at Subcon last year and we had phenomenal success. So again, when the prospect of doing another one came up, it was a no-brainer. And that success resulted already in over 6 figures worth of business, which is brilliant. Yeah. And that number continues to grow. Yeah. What we're going to see then at MACH, cannot wait. Well, I can't wait either, Lyndsey. Yeah. You are going to see product, but most importantly, we're going to continue to spread the word about our guaranteed savings plan. Sorry, this is called GSP, so what does that mean? Lyndsey, we are that confident about our products and what we do, we guarantee to save the customer money. And if someone comes onto your stand, you're going to be explaining that and you'll kind of dive into their business and see what you can save them. We like to build relationships with our customers. We have to understand their business. We have to understand them and what they're trying to achieve. And you've got some fantastic case studies out there, haven't you? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, big savings, 30% improvement in tooling costs. We have saved customers in excess of £40,000 just on one particular item that they were buying. We have saved 30%, 40%. Doesn't always go up, it's sometimes 20%, but we will underwrite a minimum 10%. Right, make sure you're visiting the Hoffmann Group stand. Plus, you'll have lots of products on show as well, won't you? Oh, absolutely. We have our famous orange catalogue here, Volume 1, which covers off machining and clamping, Volume 2 for hand tools and metrology, Volume 3 workstations and storage, and Volume 4 for personal protective equipment. Brilliant. Well, if you're unable to make the show, don't forget to join us on our live stream on the Hoffmann Group stand on Tuesday afternoon. And throughout the week, we're going to be showcasing so many products and technologies. And if you want to see the schedule, visit the MTD CNC website.